Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So I got lucky recently and I was able to purchase this 1950s Sandy horse kiddie ride. Somebody had done a full restoration on it and they went back to factory, so this has been completely repainted back to the factory paint. That's why it's so nice. And then after that, it never seen an arcade. It went into somebody's home. Typically when you buy these, this base down here is a kind of a green color. That was the standard factory color. So when they redid it, they did it in a nice sand or dirt looking finish in a nice Zola tone, which is extremely durable. It's on a quarter at this time. There's brand new coin mech in it, so it's all brand spanking new. You can change the amount of time for the rider up to like 120 seconds, something like that. I put it on 80 seconds, so it has an 80-second ride. It's got a nice coin box in it as well. What they also did was they had put in this, come on up here, Jeff. They had put in this a cassette tape deck for the music, which I thought was really pretty cool. When I got it, the cassette did not work, so I went online and bought a good working cassette. And believe it or not, they're out there. Then I bought a really nice Roy Rogers tape for it, which is all cowpoke music. Everything in it's country, cowpoke, riding on the range, etc. It's very horse conducive, right? So this is what we'll be playing. Come around here, Jeff. Let me just show them where this cassette is. They put a little door here because you do have to kind of turn, you have to flip the tape. That's the way these work. So they put a nice little door, and here's your cassette player. Everything is working good, and it's here where the music comes out, right here. So what I'm going to do, the saddle's in good condition. This thing is just super, super, super duper clean. So let's give it a spin, and we'll listen to a little Roy Rogers here. How cool is that? Old cow hands.
I think Sailor Sally wants to get on it.
Yeah. Yeah, she's looking at it like she wants to ride it. Get that right, honey. Cute. Super, super nice. Got the original wheels. If you're wondering what that was for, that was so that an operator could grab him by the feet, pick him up, and wheelbarrow him wherever he wants. If he didn't want people messing with it at night, he would take it inside the store. These are super cute, very conducive to children. I mean, it's a nice asset as well as a really beautiful piece of art. So if you want it, not a problem for us. We'll put it on a pallet, get it right out to you. If you buy it in the morning, we'll probably have it picked up the next morning and sent out to you. Very simple shipping situation here. Great little 1950s, as well as this is aluminum. This is not fiberglass. This is a two-part cast aluminum horse. So it's very durable, beautiful saddle, bridles, the whole thing. Great piece. Somebody's going to really enjoy it. And as always, thanks for watching our videos.
Here you go, Rogers Estate. Here's some more mechanical royalties for you from YouTube.
Yeah.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.